Who wants some ice cream?
Phew, what a lovely day. The only thing that can make it better is some ice cream.
Maybe I can help.
Huh?
What colour ghost ice cream would you like?
Yellow?
Bring me something yellow and you shall receive your ice cream.
Something yellow. Ooh, I know. Sorry, I need this. Hey, I'm using that. Come back here, you. Ta-da! A yellow bath. What do you think you're doing? Hey, I'm using it to get ice cream. Oh, fair enough.
That's a nice bath. I accept. There.
Ooh. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum.
SpongeBob was inside.
Thanks, Ghost.
Nearby, Spider-Man was really in the mood for an ice cream.
Want an ice cream?
Huh?
What colour ghost ice cream would you like?
Oh, pink?
Then bring me something pink.
Okay, yes. Here you go, one pink flowery bush.
That's not pink. That's more red.
What? No, it's pink.
I accept.
What? This isn't a pink ice cream.
No, but neither was the bush. Ha ha ha.
Fine. Hum dum 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 dum. Hum dum 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 dum. McQueen was inside. Phew, it's so hot. I need a drink. Oh, it's broken. Maybe I could do with an ice cream instead.
Did someone say ice cream? Bring an item to me and I shall give you an ice cream of the same colour.
Well, I'd like a blue ice cream. Here, have this water tower.
What? I don't want a broken water tower.
Fine, hold on.
Oh, I hope he brings me food.
Here, a barbecue.
So what? A barbecue with no food?
Fine, I'll get food too.
Me hungry.
There.
Perfect. I accept.
Hum 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 hum. Gordon was inside.
Thanks for the barbecue.
And finally, McQueen was very warm too, and he wanted an ice cream as well.
Ice cream?
What?
Bring me an item and I'll give you an ice cream of the same colour.
Well, I would like a green ice cream.
No trees.
Okay. Oh, I know.
I like my chair.
Hulk's not very strong. Hulk's not very strong.
What? Who said that? I must be hearing things. What? My chair! It's gone! Oh!
Here you go, Ghost.
Ooh, looks comfy. I accept.
Hum 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 hum. A Hulk was inside.
Thanks for the chair. So what spooktacular ice creams I've given away today. Bye for now.